Hello guys, welcome to another video on the Tecno Camon 15, the 15 Pro and the 15 Premier. Now in this video, I'm going to share with you tips and tricks that are essential for you to really enjoy your smartphone. You paid a lot of money for this smartphone and I think these tips and tricks will help you bring your smartphone to life. Now let's get started. Alright, let's jump to the first tip, and that's the cast feature. Now the cast feature has been available for a while now, but many of you guys don't use it. Basically, it allows you to share the display of your smartphone to a computer or a monitor wirelessly. Check this out, I can play PUBG on a bigger display and the sound is coming out from the TV, giving you a much more immersive gaming experience. Moving to tip number 2, and that's micro intelligence. You can launch applications with gestures when the screen is turned off. Check this out, I have it programmed to launch YouTube when I draw Z on the screen and it works with other applications. You have 8 gestures you can program to launch other applications. One thing I noticed is you have to press the screen a little bit hard for it to work properly. Still under the micro intelligence settings, you have the tap to wake, the music gesture which allows you to skip or rewind tracks without turning on the display, flip to mute, smart screen lighting, answer with gesture. They are all really handy and you should try them out. One of my favorite gestures is the 3-finger swipe down to take a screenshot, and now you can take a scrolling screenshot by just tapping on this button. The next tip is all about removing bloatware. The first thing you will need to get rid of is the instant apps. Next, uninstall the app you don't like. If you don't see the uninstall button, you can disable the app and that will take care of it. Another thing people don't like is this page, and deleting the cards doesn't take it away. The only way to get rid of this page is to install a third-party application like Nova Launcher, and now you can customize your home screen to your heart's desire. Now if you love using WhatsApp, this next tip is for you. Social Turbo allows you to record WhatsApp voice calls, record WhatsApp messages, so even if you're chatting with someone and the person deletes a message, you already have it saved on your phone. It also allows you to add makeup on your face for WhatsApp video calls. What it does is it makes your face smoother. Ladies, this feature is for you. The next tip is Smart Panel. It gives you a quick access to your apps and tools from the home screen by swiping. The problem is where it's located, it gets in your way when you're using the gestures to navigate. For example, if you want to go back and you swipe, it gets in your way. What you need to do is to move it, and you can do this by opening the Smart Panel, hit this button and move it, and if you don't like Smart Panel, you can disable it. The next useful tip is to enable LED notification light for SMS and calls. As far as I know, the LED light only works for WhatsApp messages. Now if you want it to work for SMS and calls, there isn't any setting in the phone to activate it. To enable the lights for SMS and calls, you will need to download a third-party application from the Google Play Store. The one I used is called the LED Flashing Lights Alert, and with this application you can enable the LED light for SMS and calls. It's a free app and it has a lot of ads in it, so be aware. For the gamers out there, game mode allows you to take a screenshot and record your gameplay, but the most impressive feature of the game mode is the magic button. You can remap the volume keys. Let me show you. So for PUBG, select the magic button, place it on the button you want to remap, and that's it. It's so easy to do. This feature makes it easy for me to shoot in PUBG. So there you have it guys, those are my top tips and tricks. If you enjoyed this video, hit on that like button and subscribe to my channel. That's it from me and I will see you on the next one. Valo, signing out.